One AI niche where NVIDIA is thumping its authority is embedding models. They have just released this Nemotron 3 Embed, a family of open embedding models built specifically for agentic retrieval, RAG, and semantic search. This 1 billion variant we are looking at today punches way above its size, ranking number 1 at the 1 billion scale on RTAB and scoring 72.4%, which is a 27% error rate reduction over its predecessor. This Nemotron 3 embed supports 34 languages, a 32K context window, and is fully open weights and commercially licensed. But that is not what I'm going to really focus on today. Today, in this hands on video, I am going to prove that better embeddings don't just improve accuracy, they actually save you money by reducing the number of tokens your agent burns, and I will do it all hands on by using Qwen 3.8 model, which has just been released as my agentic model. If you're interested in learning more about that celebrated Qwen 3.8 Max, just check out my channel. Recently, I also have started this free weekly AI newsletter which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. Let me take you to my terminal where I have this Ubuntu and my GPU card is this NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let me quickly install all the prerequisites. That's done. For embedding model, I am going to do a quick comparison. I am running this nomic embed text through Olama. As you can see here, it is already downloaded. And I'm going to compare in terms of the cost and retrieval, specifically from the lens of agentic retrieval with this Nemotron 3 embed. So what I'm going to do, this is a script which I'm going to use, by the way. Before I tell you all about this script, I just want to give a huge shout out to our very good friends at Massed Compute. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Having said that, now have a look at this code. This is what we are going to do in this video. So what I have done, this is where I'm going to call my Qwen 3.8 Max through this API, and my Olama based model is running locally. This is the data corpus I'm using. It's quite big. As you can see, a lot of data there, but you can of course replace it with any document of your choice. So I have built this 25 chunk corpus of IWC whaling regulations and ocean conservation policy documents. I'll just scroll down. Then I have created two identical FIS vector stores. One embedded with nomic embed text running locally via Olama, and one with Nemotron 3 embed 1 billion via Hugging Face. We then fire a Qwen 3.8 agent at both stores with the same three multi-hop questions. Questions that require pulling from multiple document sections to answer correctly. Every single such call and every token the agent spends is locked. Everyone. The hypothesis is simple. If Nemotron retrieves the right chunks on the first or second try, the agent finishes faster and burns fewer tokens. If Nomic misses, the agent has to keep researching and that cost adds up, and that is exactly I am going to test here. Let me clear that, and now let me run that script which is running locally. This is going to build some chunks for the nomic embed, and then with Nemotron 3 embed, and then it will go on and on. While it does that, let's have a quick look at this diagram. This chart tells you why that hypothesis holds. Across all four benchmarks, RTAB, MMTAB retrieval, and then few others, the Nemotron 1 billion in dark green consistently outperforms every model at its size class, even including Qwen 3 embedding, which I believed was quite good. Embedding JAMA, for example, on long embed at 32K context, it hits 85. That's a long document scenario where weak retrievers fall apart completely and agents spiral into repeated searches. Better retrieval at the top means less wasted work at the bottom. Meanwhile, it is still running. I will let it finish and then I will explain what exactly is happening here. Script is done. Let me scroll down a little bit to show you first the summary table. So if you read through this table, you can see same three questions, same agent, same Quen 3.8 brain. The only difference is the embedding model underneath. Nomic embed text needed 15 searches total and burned around 12,688 tokens. Nemotron 1 billion did it in 11 searches and just 8,734 tokens. That's a 31% token savings and 4 fewer search calls just from swapping the embedder. And for instance, just look at this question and what output is there. You can see that this is where it really shows that summarize the ocean pollution regulations covering plastics and oil spills. Nomic needed 5 searches across 3 turns and spent 4,231 tokens. Nemotron found what it needed in just 3 searches. That is the difference here. There you go. You see? And spent just 4,000. Um, Sorry, just spend around very few tokens like 2110, finished in 2 turns. That's more than half the token cost for the exact same answer. And then there are a lot of other search calls, as you can see, which are scattered throughout this. A real grounded response, by the way. I'll just show you here. There you know. And the answers are not worse. If anything, Nemotron answers, they are tighter and better organized because the retrieval context was cleaner. Nomic got there eventually, but it took almost twice the work. So if you look at the total rows too here, I mean, this gives you a real insight. Now imagine this isn't 3 questions. It's a 3,000 queries a day in a production rack system. That 31% token reduction goes directly to your API bill. Better embeddings are not just an accuracy story, they are a cost story. And that's what makes this Nemotron 3 embed interesting for anyone building at scale. So I hope that now it makes sense why I'm so much focused on this sort of thing, as it is multilingual. And I have already covered the multilinguality in the previous version, so it also shines through when you just go with different languages from across the globe. It is still less than what I expected. I hope that they increase that reach to even low level regional languages, but other than that, I think NVIDIA has done some real good work here. That's it. Let me know what do you think. If you want to help out the channel, please become a member. Thank you for all the support.